Right now, I'm gonna open the Prismatic Workbench. We have here a green check already in product. Now we're gonna do the generic machine, sorry. And it's for our 3-axis machine, so we say okay. We create the rough stock. We open the tree. We select the 3D shape. We say yes. We select the property. And we just go with eighth, and say okay. I'm gonna hide the rough stock and I'm gonna edit the part. The first thing we have to do is default the origin of the axis system. I'm gonna use that point. Say okay. Design part. I don't have any fixtures. The rough stock and the safety plane. Say okay. We are going to create the tools. First one is gonna be the face milling. I'm gonna do a 2.25. Sorry. 3/4, sorry. Okay. You can also edit the parameters, the geometry in the geometry. You can change those here also. And also I'm gonna do the end mill, something simple. 16. And we have here in the tree the tools. Now we skip the feature recognition and go to programming. We're gonna do prismatic machine. In the manufacturing program, we're gonna do the facing. Already has here the face mill. I'm just gonna pick it up here. Do you want to continue searching for a tool? No. So the bottom plane from our rough stock is here. Already did the contour, tool axis. we're gonna create a top plane for this one. It's already here. Starting point, I always have problem picking that same point, so I'm gonna grab that one. And end point, I'm gonna grab this one. And for the contour, I'm gonna go minus 19, that one, I think. I'm gonna simulate and see what happens. I have to do that because of my part is not a square shape. I mean the rough stock is. Now I see these corners here. I know my tool is very big, and in real life I don't know how that works, but I don't think it's correct. But for this exercise I'm gonna keep it like that, just because of that corners that they're not trimming. I still see that problem, so I'm gonna go, that is too much. And I still have that corner. Okay, we save it. And I'm gonna do another programming for the face, for the end milling, for pocketing, prismatic, manufacturing, pocketing. Pick the tool, say no. It's asking for the contour. I'm gonna click this, no. So when I hit the bottom plane, it recognizes already the contour and the tool axis. I'm gonna put this 0 here. That's fine. Starting point, end point, top plane. I don't have any limits and I don't have islands. It's a closed pocket and a macro. We're gonna use this one, plane, and retract. So, okay. Two axis. So here we're gonna do axial number of levels. We're gonna go with maximum depth. We're gonna hit simulate and see what happens. Still having the same problem as before, so I'm gonna stop this, exit, go to geometry. I'm gonna change the top plane, which I don't think is the problem. It was a problem. So right now it's doing the rough stock. Oh, that layers are tiny. We can easily fix that by the steps. So we don't have to see this and just go to the mat, the see this. I don't like that chip there. Maybe my tool is very thin. I need to cut this a little bit faster. Okay, it's not as smooth as I thought it will be. It's funny because every time that I attempt to create a piece, I do the same steps for all of them, and there's always a difference in the simulation. So I guess I'm not doing the same steps. The only thing that changed for me is the tooling, but I try to keep the tooling and the same as the other ones that I have tried. So maybe I can fix something here and make it no, I cannot. I thought I can open this and try to change some values, but I cannot. So for now, I'm gonna leave it like that, and we have to say, I don't want to say okay because of that chip in the middle, but in order to simulate both of the face milling and pocketing, I have to say okay. So for that, we're gonna try to do the part operation and hit play. Let's see how it works with the two programs. Okay, it's doing the pocketing first. So no, I don't want to do the pocketing first. So I exit this and I activate the drag. So I'm gonna change the face milling to the top and the pocketing. It's already the last thing to do. Now we have to run the simulation again. It's crazy because sometimes go so slow in this time, and sometimes you can even see how fast it goes when you hit the speed. So in order to get that to work, I went to preferences and then manufacturing simulation, compiler. Sorry guys, I don't know how to say this. Compiler. I don't know. And I just went with Visual Studio and test compiler, and it worked. I honestly don't know if this Visual Studio installer with Delmia uh, actually works for the test, but I downloaded and then I hit the Visual Studio and then just test compiler, and magically it just say apply, and it did what supposed to do, which is the tooling changing from the facing and the pocketing. That's all for today. Thank you.